Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to give you an overview of the Mendeley referencing software. It's a very, very useful tool for your referencing and citing of web pages, journals, and so forth in your documents. Here I have in front of me the downloaded version onto Windows. And to download it, it's a fairly straightforward process. You simply Google Mendeley. 2 seconds there. Where are we? Yeah, you simply go in and do a search for Mendeley Referencing Manager and simply download it. And from there, you have access to it on the desktop. You need to log in, obviously, with your details and password. So here I have already some captured references there, all predominantly from YouTube links. I am creating a free accessibility document and I'm citing, referencing videos from that. So it's a simple case of capturing them as they are here. And if you have multiple different assignments, you can create collections and groups just to segment them. And it's a fairly straightforward process of adding them into the different collections. Now, one of the other features of this tool is the fact that you can plug into Google Chrome a feature which enables you to capture text and cite documents, and it is the Mendeley Web Importer. So if you just do a Mendeley plugin Chrome, if you click here, I already have it installed. So that's it. And then it's a simple case of locating a video or locating a website to cite. So if I just go in here now into, say, BBC News, I want to cite something in here. Let me just browse there now. Okay, so if I click on this link here, this is an article in relation to sport, Premier League, and I want to cite that. I simply go over to my little plugin. To activate the plugin, I click on the extensions, and I have a number of different plugins here, but the one I want you to focus on is the Mendeley Web Importer. Just pin that so that it appears above, and then it's a simple case of pressing the Mendeley icon. And here you have an automatic citation, and you must make sure that you're logged in to your particular account. And you can choose where you wish to save it. So as I said, I only have one collection at the moment. That's free accessibility. I'll just save it there for the moment. And it's a simple case of pressing add. Now let's just go back into my desktop version and see if it has been imported there, and there we have it. So here inside the desktop version, we have the link already saved, and also we can add in further tags if we so wish here by clicking on the said reference and following the details. Again, a very useful tool, very quick in terms of capturing references and saving them. Now you can capture your references completely separate to your document, and at a later stage import and cite those references. But as I said, it's a standalone tool, shall we say, for those who are deriving documents that need citation. So that is the end of this video, and I hope it's of help, and thank you for watching.